Hey there, foodies. Welcome back. And today we're diving into the world of baking with an absolute classic. Carrot cake. But not just any carrot cake, we're talking about Martha Stewart's best carrot cake recipe. If you're ready for a moist, flavorful, and downright delicious dessert, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our scrumptious recipes. Now, let's get started. Before we start, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for Martha Stewart's carrot cake. Preparing the carrots. The star of the show, of course, is the carrots. Martha recommends finely grating them for the best texture. Make sure you've got about amount of finely grated carrots. Step 2. Dry ingredients. Host. In a large bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients. That includes, list dry ingredients as you add them to the bowl. Give it a good mix to ensure everything is well combined. Step 3. Wet ingredients. Now, let's move on to the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine, list wet ingredients. Martha's secret? Using both oil and applesauce for that extra moistness. Whisk it all together until it's well blended. Step 4. Combining wet and dry. Next, slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring as you go. This is where the magic happens, and that carrot cake flavor starts to come to life. Step 5. Folding in the goodies. Now comes the fun part, the goodies. Fold in, list additional ingredients like nuts or raisins, until evenly distributed throughout the batter. This will add a delightful crunch and sweetness to every bite. Step 6. Baking. Preheat your oven to temperature. Grease and flour your cake pans, then evenly distribute the batter. Pop it in the oven for baking time, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Step 7. Cream cheese frosting. Host. While the cake is baking, let's whip up Martha's famous cream cheese frosting. Combine, list frosting ingredients, and beat until smooth and creamy. This luscious frosting will perfectly complement the spiced carrot cake. Step 8. Assembling. Host. Once the cakes are cooled, it's time to assemble. Place one layer on your serving plate, spread a generous layer of cream cheese frosting, and then top it with the second layer. Finish it off by frosting the entire cake. Final thoughts. Host. And there you have it, folks, Martha Stewart's best carrot cake. Moist, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. I can't wait to dig into this slice of heaven. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy baking!